Yeah, you think you really hit them good this year.
Yeah, check drawers and stuff. Now that he knows you're older, I thought, well, you're good looking, so better.
Yes, I found one! Money!
Whoa!
That's my first money. Mama, can you help me find the plug? I just found more. Come on, let's go. Let's go find some more. Because I already got 3. I don't have 1. Here. You want money? That's money.
That was very nice.
That was very nice.
Now we both got 2. Now let's try some more. Yeah, there might be some in here. No.
Check.
Nope. Yay! What is it?
All right, we'll find out after you open them up. Keep looking.